All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I think I mentioned this in the last video or another day or on the live stream last night. Back at the Pallet Kingdom, that's just a nickname I made up for it. This is where they make pallets, and we're running a new service here. A whole bunch of different panels, services, transformers, different things like that. So this is where we started today, out in the ditch. Thank God it did not rain very hard today. I was expecting downpours for some reason, just because I'm probably scarred for life of working out in the rain for like 6 months straight at one of my old companies in torrential downpours. It was a nightmare. Anyways, didn't have to deal with that today, thank the Lord. So just a little light mist on and off for a few hours, so that was really nice. There are some pipes under here. These got buried already. Coworkers pounded some ground rods with some ground wire and all that stuff. But this is the main part that we did today. I was working on cutting pipes and threading them with, these are rigid. So all these pipes coming up that are taped with, I think it was called 10M tape or whatever, or 10 mil tape. It's kind of like a protective tape. So it protects the metal pipe underground. So those are taped until they hit the PVC 90s. And then we mounted the gutters. And then we went through and pulled strings through all the pipes right there. So that took a while as well. So I went around with the vacuum and sucked. And my other coworker, the apprentice, actually he's not even an apprentice, he's just a material handler, but he went through to the other side of the pipes, took the string, and then we put a mouse on it and then sucked them through. So we did that for a while until we got all the pipes done. So it was a really good day, and I really enjoyed it. So here is a picture of the pipe threader. I was probably in the little trailer here for at least half of the day cutting pipes. They were just telling me measurements. So basically the only tools I used today was a tape measure, Sharpie, and like some diagonal cutters and maybe a hammer just to jam this thing. But so this is the rigid pipe threader. You stick your pipe on the bottom left through the hole, and then it goes through the other hole right there behind the blue screwdriver. Those are two tightening devices to tighten the pipe so it stays in place when you're spinning it. If you're not familiar with this, this is for a rigid pipe, and you have to, when you cut the pipe, you have to re-thread it to put connectors on or couplings or anything like that. So you stick the pipe in there, you tighten it down, and then you have these other three devices right here, the cutter first, and then the second is the threader, and then the third one, you can't really see it. It's kind of right through the middle of it. It's the pipe reamer. So you cut the pipe, you ream it with the one on the end first. And then after you ream the pipe, you lift that back up. And then you slide down the second one, the orange one, for the pipe threading. Once you set it to the correct thickness for the pipe, you can get this one goes, I think, 1 inch through 2 inch. So I was doing 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch today. So I had to change that around, and there's a little lock device on that. So that's what I was using my hammer for, to jam it tight or loosen it up. So once you got it reamed, you put your pipe in there, and then you pull down the, actually there's a little third one. There's a little oil device, and you also bring that down. So you need oil when you're threading the pipe so it doesn't overheat, and it makes it cut easier. And then once you thread it, then you're done. So those are the three things. But also the first one, if I didn't mention it already, cuts it. All right, everyone, sorry about that. I was trying to explain that over a picture. It was probably not the best, but that's something I really want to make a video over. I think it was it was actually really fun to do. I've only done it like 2 or 3 times. The first time I did it was a nightmare with some Mickey Mouse really cheap Harbor Freight like pipe threader, but this is like a legit, like professional, like pipe threader right here. So it was really fun to use it. Like I said, I did it at least half the day, and I kind of didn't do the best explanation, but that's something I really want to make a video over. If I could like go to my company shop or whatever and had an extra piece of pipe or a garbage piece of pipe, and just kind of explain it and explain it and do a little demonstration of how to thread half of a pipe. I think that would be super fun industrial stuff. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Like I said, worked on the service doing a little bit of digging slightly, just cleaning up the pipes, gluing the pipes together. And I also did not mention, once I cut the pipes and threaded them, and then glued on the PVC 90s, and then wrapped them with the 3M 10 mil tape, if that's the right name, if I didn't butcher that. So I wrapped those, and then the coworkers pretty much mounted the gutters, and then tightened all the lock nuts up and stuff like that. So anyways, it was a really good day. Although it felt like Friday yesterday, so didn't really want to go to work today. It was like a pre-Friday yesterday, which was weird. So anyways, about 2 o'clock, I kind of just wanted to get out of there, not because I wasn't having fun, because I really was having fun, but I was just kind of ready to go home. But anyways, that will do it. Thank you guys. I will try to make a video for you guys. Actually, I will make a video for you guys tomorrow, probably with the electrical wall. Probably going to go to Home Depot tomorrow and buy a whole bunch of electrical supplies. So I'll be ready to make videos with the wall for like weeks to come. So I'll have plenty of content once I go shopping for some electrical supplies. I'm probably actually going to buy some devices for my house, change out some switches or whatnot, with some timers or whatnot. So I'll probably make a video over that as well. So stay tuned. Check out the giveaway last video. I'm doing a $100 giveaway. If you want to win $100, check out the video. It's really simple, but if not, then ignore it. But anyways, thank you for watching. Hit the like button. I'm losing my mind. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd appreciate it to help out the channel. Check the description for anything else. There's a whole bunch of playlists if you want to check out my other videos. I made that super simple. Got all the links below, all the names below. And then lastly, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Gonna go do a live stream right after I upload this video. Not too hungry, so I'm gonna go make some tacos if you guys want to hang out while I cook some tacos. That'll be a fun time. And then I'll probably do a gaming stream tonight. I might be up late, who knows. Anyways, thanks guys, love you guys, God bless, peace out.